Hi everyone, it's your girl Damilola. So in today's story, I'll be making a DIY bow or rose. So you need your zigzag scissors, your wadding, your pearl or button, then a round object, either big or small, depending your fabric, depending on how big you want the bow to be. So first of all, what I will do now is to use the round object to make a circle on the bow. I wanted to use the big one before, but I was like, let me use this small one since it's just a tutorial. So you make a round, you mark it round like so, as you see me do. So after marking it, you went ahead to cut it out. You want to cut it the circle in a circular form. So just try and follow the circle you already drew and cut it out like so, as you can see. So the material I'm using here is scuba. It's also known as scuba. I think it's also known as poly. I don't know, but it's scuba material. The one of that foam material. Yes. So I've cut out 12 pieces here. This is 12 pieces as you are seeing. So what I'll do now is to thread my needle, then I will flip it like so. Just follow this process, you get it. Again, you flip it a little bit inside, then you flip it together to give you that cone shape. So you insert your needle and thread like so, as you see me do. So this is what you do for all the whole 12 piece. You can make it more bigger than this. You can do cut out pieces more than this, but this is just for a tutorial, so I just have to cut out this small piece. So I'm arranging it, as you can see. So I'm arranging it. So you arrange it to form a circle. Just follow this process. Arrange it, arrange to form a circle. So this is it. You make sure to this is the back. This is how the back is looking. So you make sure to arrange it very well and secure it. Tack it down and secure it. So just follow the process and you are good. So now I'll use the felt to cover the back, and I'm in the wording. So I'm cutting the wording, just making it a round shape or circular shape. I have to use it to cover it like so, and I will use one of those pearls or button to cover it up. You can use any kind of glue, but the one I have right now when I'm making this video is hot glue gun. So that's the one I have right now. You can use Uru gum, you can use B6000, but this is what I have right now when I'm making the video. So you put it like so and glue it. Put it on the wording as well and glue it to the back. Then are good to go. So this is how the flower is looking like, or the rose. So you can use it to design anything. If you find these videos helpful, don't forget to like, follow, comment and share. Bye for now.